COIN stock analysis and COIN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's printing and what is not. So especially with COIN, bro, it's just that, you know, I'm looking for a double down and buy more. That confirmation is very simple, man. Like, it's nothing crazy. It's just like a decent double break, you know what I mean, like something like here that occurs. And if I do not get that, then I'm not buying. Very simply put. Like, people are gonna overcomplicate a lot of stuff, but it's not what I'm gonna do. And on top of that, I do have a lot of receipts in the Discord, you know what I mean, like 10 results. So I will make sure to continue to keep you updated, but not 4 trades, you know what I mean? So waiting for confirmation. And if you want my picks, Discord, all the workshops, formula, all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people already tried it. Risk-free.